I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind.
For this year's tree, I'm going to be using mostly the ornaments from last year, but I did go ahead and get these at home today. They're like jingle bells. I got 2 of them because I didn't know how many I would need to kind of fill in the gap. They're like super cute. Let me take them out. They're kind of annoying. George really liked these though, so can you see them?
Yes.
Let's get started with the ornaments. Oh, that's pretty. You can't even see it because it's white.
Come joining us all. The feeling is here today. Come on now, let's go.
Hey, what's going on? Are you decorating for Christmas? What are you doing with all those ornaments? He's ignoring me. He's like, what is all of this?
Pulling through the snow all day. We've been good, but we can.
It's time for the tree topper. That's what's missing.
Oh, yeah.
And this is how we preserve our Christmas stuff for years. We put them back in the original boxes.
Wires and everything.
Oh, I didn't know you did that.
Yeah, so it doesn't shake.
Hurry Christmas, hurry now. I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas.
Okay guys, so I think we are done for tonight. I'm tired. It's almost 4 in the morning, 3 in the morning. What?
I don't like it. What do you think?
It's not that I don't like it,
It's not.
but I'm not feeling it. It's just not magical enough.
Yeah, it's not. It's not there. It's not magical. Remember the first time?
We were in love with it.
We were like, wow, this is magical. Now it's like, not that magical. Should we get new decorations?
I think we should. A
Yeah?
whole new theme.
Alrighty.
Quickly show you guys all the different types of white ornaments that we got. This one's like a sweater type. It's really pretty. It has some silver glitter. I didn't want any silver, but I feel like it's so minimal it's not even gonna show up that much. We have these really pretty ones that have reindeer on them. And then there's this super glittery one. And then we have a really pretty snowflake. We got a bunch of these actually. Sparkly as well. And then we have a disco ball.
A Christmas disco.
Super huge. And I think I'm just gonna stuff them in there, but just for a little bit more support, I'm gonna hook them on there. Last but not least, I thought these were gonna be like soft snowballs, but they're not. They're like hard. I don't know what kind of material this is, but it's really pretty, really sparkly, and let's get started with the decorating.
Perfect.
Ooh.
That fills it in very nice.
Uh-huh. Okay, so now we have some of these picks right here. I don't know if we've showed you yet. Yeah, these are super sparkly, and then we have these red berries. Let's turn off the light, see how it looks. I mean, you probably can't see
You can.
the white.
It's beautiful. Ooh. Wow.
That looks really good.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure how all the different textures and just plain white would look, but it looks really nice.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, like that. No. He feels it with his teeth, and he's like, "Oh no, wait, that's fake."
There's something about these pigs, and he sees them on a tree, and he's like, "Can I eat that?"
Yeah.
The leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and dreary.
So anyway, that is all for this video. If you liked the video, please leave a like down below and comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.